In tonight's Healthier Me, Jack Jablonski was paralyzed in 2011 after being hit from behind during a junior varsity hockey game and was told it was unlikely he would regain movement in his lower body. However, Jablonski posted a video to Twitter where he's wiggling his toes for the first time in 7 years. But how common is this type of situation? Valley News Team's Abby Furchner has more.
When it comes to spinal cord injuries that cause paralyzation, Sanford physical medicine and rehabilitation physician Dr. William Kleva says injuries like Jack Jablonski's happens more often than we think.
At Sanford, we, over the course of the past 30-some years, have taken care of probably more than 1,000 of these type of injuries.
Many who have injuries that cause paralyzation go through physical therapy as part of their rehabilitation treatment. But Dr. Kleva says that it's difficult to pinpoint exactly what caused Jack to wiggle his toes.
Whether the physical therapy caused this recovery or not is hard to say.
Doctors determine the severity of the injury by placing them into two categories, complete and incomplete. Spinal cord injuries are complete when all mobility below the spinal cord is considered lost. Incomplete is when you continue to have some motor function even in the injured area.
Oftentimes it is functionally severed, meaning that no communication goes across the area of injury. Many of these injuries show some fibers that are intact and still working, even though that the muscles aren't working as they normally would. So those ones you're always kind of hopeful for.
While rehabilitation therapy can help those injured regain some function, Dr. Kleva says these types of improvements are seen shortly after the accident, making Jack a rare case.
More typically, the recovery will occur within the first year, certainly within the first couple of years.
So 7 years down the line is pretty
unusual.
Jack has proved doctors wrong a number of times, starting with being able to move his right arm. Dr. Kleva says that it's hard to say just yet what the twitching of his toes means, but there is always hope. In Fargo, Abby Furchner, Valley News Live.
Dr. Kleva says spinal cord injuries among athletes occur most often from automobile and diving accidents.